Hey, great, you're still around. So today what I wanted to do is talk about what I'm going to decide to do for my window tint. As you know, every Model Y comes with factory tinted rear windows, hatch window, and the whole top glass piece is factory tinted as well. Not a lot of people know that that's not really going to provide you any UV protection, and it's really going to provide you limited heat reduction in the car. So if you're parking your car outside on a regular basis in a state that's regularly hot, Arizona, California, Florida, you might want to actually consider upgrading all of your windows to a higher performance window tint. 3M actually makes 3 different grade window tints. Their entry level actually barely provides UV protection. If you go with their mid-grade, it's actually non-metal tint, so it won't interfere with the computer, and it's actually going to provide you with considerable UV protection and heat reduction in the vehicle. Their highest grade just continues to provide more and more with less degradation of the tint over time. So obviously the more higher level you go, the more expensive that's going to be for you. So that's something that you're going to want to consider. I'll throw in some links below on some different 3M tints that you can consider. Obviously, you got to consider how dark you want to go. In Illinois, 35% is legal on the front windows. The back, the rest don't matter. So for me, I'm just kind of concerned, honestly, about the looks of the car. I want it to kind of look complete. So we're just going to focus on the front windows today. And then maybe in the future, I'll have this back removed and actually go with a higher grade tint. So for you, that's something that you're going to have to consider. And today we're going to go on a little trip, and I'll show you where I'm going to go and what I'm putting on. So stick around. All right, guys, we're on our way to go get the windows tinted. As you can see, it's pretty bright in here. Wearing my sunglasses, so I'll do a before and after so we can see how dark they are, but the factory you can almost see right through on this video. So we'll see. Maybe they talk me into doing all the windows. So I just got home a little bit ago, and I couldn't be more excited about what it looks like. So there it is in the background. We did 35% on the driver and passenger window. I actually did 70% crystalline 3M on the windshield. So what that's going to do is give me UV protection there. It's also going to still block out some of that sunlight. And since you could see that condensation has gone away, I went ahead and put that in the garage for a little bit, and there it is. So if you guys are getting your windows tinted or have any questions, now one thing I am going to probably do is consider getting a shade for the top instead of tinting. They had a special order window tint for that, so that sounds expensive. Window shade, certainly a little bit easier. So yeah, look at that. That looks great, doesn't it? Well, again, if you like this video, please give us a like. Definitely subscribe. We got some more things going. I want to do everything all at once. So yeah, hopefully yours is looking as good as mine, and we'll be in touch. See you around.